Hello, listeners. Take a moment and think about the most advanced piece of technology you use today. Maybe it's an AI that generates images, a system that navigates your car, or perhaps a language model like ChatGPT. These tools feel incredibly modern, almost futuristic. But what if I told you the dream of creating thinking, artificial life is not modern at all? It's an ancient dream, one that stretches back to the dawn of civilization. In the next few minutes, we're going to trace the extraordinary evolution of this idea. We will journey from the mythological roots of artificial beings, all the way to the precise logic gates that power every single computer, algorithm, and AI system today. Our exploration will cover key milestones, from the mechanical ingenuity of 12th century programmable automata to the philosophical shift of viewing human reasoning as pure mathematical calculation. And finally, to the creation of the Turing test, which gave us an actionable, measurable goal for machine intelligence. Ultimately, this story is about humanity's relentless quest to formalize reasoning and build intelligent machines. It's a journey that reveals AI is fundamentally a tool shaped by human intention, a reflection of our own creativity and aspiration. Let's begin by going back to ancient Greece to see where this dream truly started, in mythology. Have you ever talked to a smart speaker like Alexa or Google, or seen how a computer can play chess better than almost anyone in the world? We call that artificial intelligence, or AI. It's when machines can do things that make them seem like they are thinking, learning, or solving problems. Now here's the surprise. This idea isn't new. People have been dreaming about smart machines for thousands of years, way before electricity. Today, we are going to be detectives, tracing this amazing dream from old stories all the way to the newest tools like ChatGPT, Google Maps, and the GPS that tells your parents where to turn. It's a journey about imagination and rules. Let's start at the very beginning. We said the dream started a long time ago, but how far back? Let's go back to the myths and legends, where people first imagined creating life.
Have you ever talked to a smart speaker like Alexa or Google, or seen how a computer can play chess better than almost anyone in the world? We call that artificial intelligence, or AI. It's when machines can do things that make them seem like they are thinking, learning, or solving problems. Now here's the surprise. This idea isn't new. Imagine you are a sculptor. A very, very long time ago in ancient Greece. You work hard carving a statue, making it look so real it seems like it could just get up and walk away. In the myths, the gods would sometimes make that happen. They would breathe life into the stone, and the statue would become a living, thinking being. One famous story is about a golden robot named Talos that guarded an entire island. These ancient stories show us that people have always been fascinated by the idea of creating a lifelike replica, an artificial being that could think and feel. This wasn't about technology back then. It was about dreams of creation and human aspiration. It proves that the quest for AI is actually a really old, exciting human story about our wish to create life.
So we know people dreamed about living statues, but when did they actually start building things? The next chapter of our story jumps forward in time to a brilliant inventor who used gears and mechanics, not magic, to make his machines follow rules. Fast forward many, many years to the 12th century, and we meet a brilliant inventor named Al-Jazari. He wasn't using magic, he was using mechanics. He lived in what is now Turkey, and he built amazing, detailed automatic machines called automata, like old-fashioned robots. One of his coolest inventions was a musical band floating on a boat made of little mechanical figures. He didn't just wind it up, he gave it a set of preset rules, like a script, that told the figures exactly which drums to beat and which cymbals to crash, and when. See. These machines could not think for themselves, but they were the first big step where people realized we can give machines coded instructions to follow exact, detailed rules and perform complex jobs. This idea of rules is the first main ingredient of modern AI.
AI operates as a tool, shaped by human intention, not as an independent agent. Humans define intelligence, set AI goals, and direct its tasks. As AI complexity grows, human responsibility remains central, ensuring AI aligns with human values and purposes. Maintaining human mastery is crucial for ethical AI development. Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz envisioned resolving human arguments through mathematical calculation, framing intelligence as information processing governed by logical rules. His vision laid the groundwork for machines capable of complex reasoning tasks. Leibniz's call to action, "Let us calculate," marked a shift from debate to calculation, transforming thought into rule-based data processing. George Boole transformed Leibniz's vision into Boolean algebra, defining logical operations, and, or, and not. These gates are the core of digital computers and artificial intelligence, breaking complex thought into binary rules. Boolean logic forms the mathematical foundation of computer logic, powering modern computing and artificial intelligence innovation. Alan Turing revolutionized artificial intelligence by introducing the Turing test in 1950. This test evaluates machine intelligence based on whether a machine's responses are indistinguishable from a human's during a keyboard interaction with a human judge. If successful, the machine is deemed intelligent, providing artificial intelligence with a clear, testable objective that has shaped its evolution. Turing's benchmarks established success criteria for AI, emphasizing observable behavior over abstract thought. This shifted AI research from philosophical speculation to practical experimentation, laying the groundwork for modern AI, including large language models and machine learning. His legacy continues to influence how we measure and develop machine intelligence today. Ancient myths of lifelike statues reflect humanity's dream to animate the inanimate. In 1206, Al-Jazari's automata marked the first programmable machines. By 1854, George Boole's mathematical logic laid the groundwork for machines to reason. In 1950, Alan Turing's test evaluated machine intelligence through human-like behavior. The 1956 Dartmouth Workshop marked AI's formal inception, gathering pioneering researchers who shaped its early progress. Artificial intelligence emerged as a tool driven by human goals and logic, underscoring ethical responsibility. Mastering artificial intelligence's foundational concepts and ethical use is crucial for understanding its impact as we explore its evolution from simple logic to advanced language models.